Good morning. It is the start of a new week. The goal for this week is to get the rockers on the driver's side done, glued on, and I'd say some body work done, but we're just going to go for glued on. So that's the goals for the week, but first we're going to take the truck and we're going to jockey it over to here so I can put get the lift underneath it and still get access to the booth. So that's going to be today's first project, is getting that done, and then yeah, we'll go from there. Alright, we got the truck up on the lift, and I gotta tell you, in my old shop we had a 2-post lift, and which were good for certain things, but for doing body work and rockers, it was kind of a pain in the ass. So Dad bought or picked up this when he went to Iola, this scissors lift from Titan's Lift. They're local from us. They're literally only, or the dealer is only for, I think he's only like 7 or 8 miles away. So he picked this up at Iola, and I gotta tell you, right now, I'm loving it. My truck is, obviously it's tore down, not much weight to it, and I think it might pick it, but 6,600 pounds is what this max is at. But man, this is awesome. I wish I had this for when I did the other side. So, but yeah, you can get a better visual here now of what we got going on. Get my flashlight on here. So, that's it right there. That's my nightmare. This guy is rotted. So I'm gonna have to make a new end for it. And yeah, just basically gonna have to fab up a new one, because that's the only way to do it. Unfortunately, I wish there was a different way, but there is not. So, I mean, we got, yeah, there is some rust in this side, and I was not expecting this much. I knew there was some, Was not expecting this much from the drive, basically from the center pillar, basically the driver's side door. I don't know what the issue was there. Never really leaked water as far as the inside of it goes, but even underneath here we got rust. I mean, it's still surface rust, it's still solid, so I don't really have to worry too much about it. What I'm going to do here is same as the doors, is so this is solid through here, so I'm going to cut, and just weld a piece of flat steel in there. Smooth it out, never know what's there. I got this here. I'm not exactly sure yet what to do with it. Not exactly sure, because this gets pinched underneath the cab and that piece there, so I don't know. Main focus is going to get the horns done. Not the horns, but the brackets done for go underneath the cab supports. Get those fabbed up looking right. Get this piece cut out. And go from there. Like I said, the goal is to get the inner and outer rockers on this week. That's the last major steel work that needs to be done to the truck. Once I get that done, then should be pretty smooth sailing from there. Bodywork, I don't even worry about bodywork because it's bodywork for me. Bodywork is simple, so. But yeah, we're gonna attack this with a vengeance here and try to get this sucker knocked out. So as you can see, again, nothing left. Looks like there's decent steel behind it that I'm going to be able to weld to where I cut. So all I'm going to do for this, and the easiest way for me to do this, since I still don't have all my metal fab benders and stuff, so what I'll do is I'll take these two pieces and I'll flatten them out. Put them together, trace them onto a new piece, and then cut it out. That way I get all my dimensions right. Then I'll just take and bend over my tabs. Go from there. Alright, so what I got going on here is on this back driver's side door, just hitting this edge real light with this coral pad, I call it. Does a fantastic job, gets the rust out, any little bit of rust that's out, and it leaves a really nice smooth surface. So basically all I'll do now is come in with my DEA, feather this out, red scuff pad, and then this door on the back side is ready for primer. So really nice pad, love the work that it does. 3M makes one too, twist on. That one works really good too, but I've had these laying around for forever, so try to save a little money, use these up. But yeah, they work fantastic. Just does a really smooth job. Well, this is gonna be a pain in the ass. I used to have a paddle. I used to be able to get underneath there and just work it off, but oh well, have to figure it out for tomorrow. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to regroup on the rockers here on this side, try to figure it out. If see if they make a if they make this panel, excuse me. See if they make this panel or the support that comes down. Excuse me. Sorry. So yeah, I'm going to see if they make this support that comes down because I'm not sold on this, on what I was planning on doing. So I have to make a couple phone calls today. See if I can get that coming. Maybe I'll maybe tomorrow I'll try to get the rear glued on at least, because that's I like the work front to back, but if I can get the rear on, at least I'm starting somewhere. So yeah, working on that other door then as well. Backside's ready to go, but I'll have to see if I got that tool in a different toolbox. But yeah, this will go up in here. I can get this up here and glue it on, and at least have this in. So a little bit of fab work. Got to cut the top of this rocker off to match it up with that one. Before I do that, I'll have to POR the inside of all this. So that's that for today. So yeah, stay tuned for tomorrow, I guess.